Welcome to the channel. If you're into road trips, van life, or just the thrill of the open road, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into something truly special, the Barbus Motorhome. This isn't just any vehicle. This is a home on wheels that fuses ruggedness with luxury, engineering with aesthetics, and freedom with function. So buckle up, because this isn't just a tour, it's an experience. Now imagine waking up to the sunrise breaking over a mountain ridge. The silence broken only by birds or the gentle rush of wind through the trees. You step out, coffee in hand, stretch your legs, and turn to see your Barbus sleek, matte finished, commanding attention yet perfectly at peace in the wild. That's what this motorhome promises. Not just travel, not just comfort, but presence. Let's talk design first. The exterior of the Barbus Motorhome feels like it belongs in both a science fiction movie and a luxury yacht catalog. It's a fortress on wheels. High ground clearance, reinforced chassis, all-terrain tires. This thing is ready for deserts, mountains, or coastal highways. At first glance, it looks aggressive, military grade, but then you notice the details, the flush panels, the custom lights, the aerodynamic angles. Every inch has been thought through. Step inside and the vibe changes immediately. You're not in a camper. You're in a penthouse. Walnut wood ambient LED lighting. A leather-wrapped dashboard with brushed aluminum accents. The interior design is modern, minimal, and elegant. It's like stepping into a high-end apartment in Berlin, except this one can move. The driver's cabin itself feels like a spaceship cockpit. Massive touchscreens, a heads-up display, fully adjustable, heated and cooled seats, voice control that actually works. The steering wheel feels solid, weighty, like it was engineered for control, not just looks. You sit high, with panoramic views through armored glass, and every button is exactly where it should be. Now for the layout. The floor plan is intelligently divided into zones, which is rare in most motorhomes. You've got your lounge area right as you enter, a convertible sofa system with custom upholstery. It turns into an extra bed when needed, but most of the time, it's the chill zone. Overhead, hidden compartments store everything from throw blankets to wine glasses. Yes, there's even a wine chiller built into the cabinet wall. Turn slightly, and you're in the kitchen, and I mean a real kitchen. Dual induction cooktops, a convection oven, a full-size refrigerator with a freezer drawer. Even a dishwasher, I kid you not. Countertops are composite stone, and there's a clever retractable extension if you need more prep space. Every drawer soft closes. Every cupboard has automatic lighting. It's a chef's dream in a 2-meter space. Opposite the kitchen is the control panel. From here, you can manage everything. Solar power, input, battery status, water tanks, climate control, even the satellite internet. All of it accessible via touchscreen or smartphone. It's like a digital brain for your tiny home. As you move back, there's a sliding door that opens into the bathroom, and again, it's not what you expect in a mobile unit. Full standing shower with a rainfall head. Proper flushing toilet, heated flooring, fog-free mirror, built-in Bluetooth speakers. You don't just take a quick rinse here. You take your time, and then there's the bedroom. This is where the Barbus really shows its luxury DNA. A queen-sized memory foam mattress, underbed storage, blackout shades on all windows, side reading lamps, USB ports everywhere. Even a small retractable TV that tucks away when not in use. It's intimate, it's cozy, and it feels like you're in a boutique hotel, except there's no checkout time. One thing that really surprised me is the insulation. Whether it's -10 degrees Celsius in the Alps or 35 degrees Celsius in the Mojave, the interior remains a comfortable oasis. Triple sealed windows, advanced thermal layering in the walls, an air recirculation system with HEPA filters. This motorhome is 4-season ready. Of course, no modern adventure vehicle is complete without a powerful electrical system, and Barbus delivers here too. There's a bank of lithium-ion batteries that charge via rooftop solar panels, shore power, or alternator while you drive. You can run everything from your AC to your espresso machine without worrying about draining your system. You're off-grid, but never powerless. Let's talk storage, because that's where many RVs fall short. Not here. Every square centimeter is optimized. The rear garage is enormous, with slide-out drawers, built-in bike mounts, tool compartments, and even a pressure washer for muddy boots or gear. You could literally bring your dirt bike and still have room left for a foldable kayak. Now, let's talk about something less tangible, the feeling of freedom. The Barbus isn't just a vehicle, it's a mindset. When you travel in it, you're not rushing to check into a hotel. You're not looking for a restaurant to eat at. You're not bound by a schedule. You stop when you want. You sleep where you want. You cook your own food and make your own rules. It's about reclaiming control over your time. Reconnecting with nature without sacrificing comfort. Seeing places not just as a tourist, but as a traveler. As someone who belongs to the road. And that brings me to the driving experience. It's a beast, but a smooth one. Powered by a turbo diesel V6 with all-wheel drive. Torque distribution is intelligent and responsive. Adaptive suspension softens potholes and stabilizes on corners. The turning radius is surprisingly tight for something this size. Cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, it's all there. Whether you're navigating a mountain pass or backing into a tight spot, it just works. One of the coolest features, though, is the Smart Camp mode. With one tap, the entire vehicle transforms. The suspension lowers slightly. The awning extends automatically. Exterior lights switch on in warm mode. Leveling jacks deploy. Even the outdoor kitchen module slides out from the side. It's camping. Elevated dot, and if you're someone who works remotely, like many of us do these days, the Barbus turns into an incredible mobile office. Fold-down desks, noise-canceling insulation, satellite internet, 5G booster. You can literally be in the middle of nowhere and still make your Zoom call with a mountain view behind you. Now let's address the obvious. This isn't a cheap vehicle. Depending on customization, you're looking at a serious investment. But here's the thing, you're not just paying for features. You're paying for freedom, safety, and time. You're paying to own your lifestyle, to wake up where you want, to follow the seasons, to bring your whole world with you. And maintenance. Surprisingly manageable. The engine and drivetrain are based on commercial-grade platforms, meaning parts are globally available and service can be done almost anywhere. Plus, Barbus includes a remote diagnostic system and 24/7 customer support. So if anything goes wrong, help is just a call away. But what really sets this apart is the community. Barbus owners aren't just customers, they're part of a global tribe. There are meets, convoys, support groups, and online forums where owners share tips, routes, mods, and stories. It's like joining a family, one that spans continents and time zones. And if you're wondering whether it's too much vehicle for solo travelers or couples, let me say this, it adapts to you. You don't need to use every inch of space every day, but it's there when you do. Whether you're heading to Iceland's volcanic beaches or Spain's sun-soaked coastlines, this motorhome has your back. So yeah, this isn't just about the Barbus motor, it's about how you choose to live, the places you want to see, the time you want to reclaim, and the memories you want to create. If this video inspired you, drop a like, subscribe for more motorhome tours and travel stories, and let me know in the comments, where would you take your Barbus first? Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay free, and keep exploring. Let me know if you want me to turn this into a voiceover style script, or add camera directions, or suggestions.